Hey, did you just catch me checking out my beard? Well, what can I say? I go overly conscious looking at my stubble. It's so uneven and shabby. In the past, I felt insecure and underconfident. I avoided going out with my friends and even ignored potential dates because of this. And I'm sure it's not just me, but most of us Gen Z men face this problem of an in-between beard. It's neither fully grown to be styled and nor is it invisible. I was introduced to shaving recently only, but it was not an amazing experience at all. I had so many painful cuts and acne on my face that I finally decided to trash out all the traditional razors and shaving products. And then something amazing happened. I discovered the Philips OneBlade. It is a unique grooming tool that encouraged me to move fearlessly in my beard grooming game. How? Let's find out. One of the most incredible features of the Philips OneBlade is that it gives you a sharp trim or a clean shave without even touching your skin. This is all thanks to the dual protection technology of the blade, which has a protective plate with glide coating that ensures smooth gliding and prevents the blade from ever touching your skin. And the rounded tips help to protect the skin from the moving cutter. So no more nicks and cuts on my face. Another huge advantage of the Philips OneBlade is that it allows me to shave, trim or style my beard the way I want. And it is super easy to use too. No rocket science. It gives you a comfortable look within few minutes and without any hassle. If you look closely, you'll notice the dual-sided blades that tackle a big challenge in beard grooming. A break in the flow of shave or trim. With the way one blade glides on your skin, there is no break in the natural flow of trimming or shaving your beard. The two-sided blades help you get a hold on your jawline, including the edges, so that you have clean lines to flaunt. Finally, with the Philips OneBlade, you don't need any other products like a shaving foam. Just put it under water so that the blades are wet and start using it. It can also be used dry if you like. Whether it's a date night, interview or a wedding, the Philips OneBlade has my back when it comes to making me look super stylish. So what do you think? Is this an all-rounder or not? Philips OneBlade takes care of my grooming needs, and now I move fearlessly in my life because I know I'm looking my best. You can also move fearlessly with Philips OneBlade.